In a move reinforcing its commitment to environmental stewardship, Damodar Valley Corporation has contributed 50 lakh rupees to support wildlife conservation initiatives at the Palamu Tiger Reserve. The funds will be used to strengthen ongoing conservation programs, wildlife protection efforts, and ecosystem sustainability within the reserve. Northern Coalfields Limited has further strengthened its mining operations by commissioning a new 890 horsepower Komatsu dozer at its Amlori open cast project, enhancing productivity and operational efficiency at the site. In a major boost to mining efficiency and operational capacity, 7 new BEM LBD 155 dozers were flagged off on April 15, 2026 at Mine 2 by Dr. Suresh Chandrasuman, Director Mines. The inauguration ceremony was held in the presence of senior executives and project officials, marking an important step in fleet modernization. GAIL India Limited has signed contract agreements with TUSCO Limited for the development of a 600 megawatt solar power project at TUSCO's Solar Park in Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh. The project will include a 550 megawatt-hour battery energy storage system, enabling reliable and efficient integration of renewable energy. Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited has welcomed the launch of the Urban Challenge Fund by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, calling it a transformative step toward accelerating next-generation urban development across India. RailTel Corporation of India Limited has received a major letter of intent from the Konkan division for the development and maintenance of an integrated IT solution aimed at monitoring minor minerals. The order, valued at 100 crore rupees, excluding taxes, has been awarded by the Divisional Commissioner, Konkan Division. HCL India Limited has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the Semiconductor Laboratory functioning under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology to manage recruitment through computer-based testing. Coal India Limited Chairman Shri B. Sairam paid a courtesy visit to Anurag Jain, Chief Secretary of Madhya Pradesh in Bhopal, to discuss key sectoral priorities and future collaboration. During the meeting, both sides held detailed deliberations focused on improving coordination, accelerating clearances, and supporting expansion projects that contribute to India's long-term energy security. Power Grid Corporation of India Limited has informed stock exchanges about the completion of the tenure of 2 independent directors on its board. The company stated that Shiv Tapasya Paswan and Rohit Vaswani have ceased to serve as non-official independent directors effective April 15, 2026. THDC India Limited has achieved a major milestone with the commercial operation date declaration of the 4th unit of the Tehri pumped storage plant, marking the full commissioning of the 4 times 250 megawatt pumped storage project. With all 4 250 megawatt units now operational, the Tehri pumped storage plant is expected to play a crucial role in strengthening India's power grid.